Hey guys, welcome back to the Swine Backyard Barbecue, where in this video we'll be taking a 14-pound turkey, snatching out its spine, breaking its breastbone, and getting up right under its skin like an angry old ex. Then we're going to season up that bird with some SPG and chili powder, and then we're going to head outside to prep the 22-inch Weber kettle. And I'll be using the Weber Performer Deluxe, just to be exact. All that's going down today right here on this channel, and you guys are in for a treat. Let's do this. Yeah. So let me show you guys what I'll be using to spatchcock this turkey. Just a nice set of shears from Home Depot and my Dalstrong Black Shadow Series 7-inch cleaver. And with the cleaver, I'm going to trace along the spine to make it effortless and easier to remove that spine. So let's go ahead and do that. Yeah, that's cutting pretty deep. I like that. That's why you got to have a nice knife, nice good sharp knife. Now I'm cutting towards myself. I'm doing it carefully. Just be careful when you do this. And then it's just as easy as using the shears to cut them bones. And that's it. So here's the spine, and you have a choice between throwing it away or saving it for some stock. Now I'm going to remove this piece of meat right here, this piece of skin, which is the tail. It's not going to be good, but you can also save this for some stock as well. So now I'm going to go ahead and make a slice and try to crack through the back of the breastbone. And I'm going to remove it in a little bit, but this is going to help me butterfly the turkey easier. See that? And then you can turn it over, compress the chest, compress the breast, and it's all going to break. Do a little trimming, take that turtleneck off that turkey neck, and then I'll show you how to remove this middle centerpiece. So, you know, this must be part of the breastbone. And what this is going to do is once you remove this, it's going to be easier to slice at the end. Slice this right in half. So all you got to do is trace it with your fingers. There's nothing to it. You don't need a knife. You can just get this right out without actually going through the other side. Oh yeah, look at that. Tracing it with the finger, easy to pop out. Pretty satisfying too. Look at that. There it is. Bam. Let's go to the next step. Look, I'm going to keep this cooked simple, and I'm using SPG with chili powder, and that's it. There's no brine. There's no injections. None of that. Just the SPG with chili powder. All right, guys, I got a chimney filled to the top with Kingsford Original, and this is unlit charcoal. And even though I'm on the Weber Performer, I won't be using the gas assist. Why? Because I'm going to simulate the cook of the average person out there that has a 22 kettle that wants to smoke a turkey, and this is all you have. So I'm not even using charcoal baskets. So I'm banking the coals all to one side. They're unlit. I'm using 2 tumbleweeds. I have hickory and cherry, and that's it. And with this method right here, you will have fantastic results. What was produced from this cook right here was nothing short of amazing. Trust me. All right, it's time to get this bird in that grill, and let's get this cook started. So the target temp that I'm shooting for as far as cooking temperature is going to be from 300 to 350. So the sweet spot will be 325. If I can hit 325, I'll be happy all day. Oh yeah, I'm good with that right there. Not a bad start. And then an hour later, we're at 321. Not bad. All right, it's been 2 hours. We're hanging out at 340. It's time to see what this bird is looking like. Oh yeah, look at that. She's pretty. Let's take some temps. All right, so we still got a ways to go. And if you guys notice in the background, there's a little bit of wood catching on fire right there. So I'm gonna go ahead and remove that wood because that's just gonna make the bird taste nasty and acrid and not good. We're already past 140, so we're not getting any more smoke on this bird anyway. So that's what I'm doing right here. All right, we must continue with this cook. All right, guys, this bird is done. I had the probe in the breast, alarm set at 160, and we're there now. I am not going to wait for 165, and that makes all the difference. Let the breast come up to 160, remove the bird, and I promise you that that bird will still be cooking. The residual heat, the carryover, will take this to about 166, 167. No problem. And what that will guarantee for you is that the breast of your turkey will always be juicy as hell. All right, guys, so I'm gonna go ahead and remove all these little rib bones and all the stuff from behind the turkey breast. And there's actually a big old bone in the turkey breast that I'm gonna remove as well. And it's kind of a hack job. I'm not that great at slicing poultry, so just bear with me. But I want to show you guys, my main objective here is to show you guys how juicy, how phenomenal this breast is. And there's no brine and there's no injection. And if you keep it simple, you can have great results. Yeah, look at that. That's going to be good for Blue. He's going to love that. All right, you guys, take a look at this piece of juicy turkey breast. And I apologize about the lighting, but man, I just got to keep on going. Look at this. So tender, so moist. Come on now. No brine, no injections. This is what you get. All right, you guys, that concludes this video. And just want to show you guys how we took down that turkey breast right here in a sandwich. Check that out. And if you guys don't know about Dave's Killer Bread, you guys got to give it a try. It is good.